Good evening po, Pangasinan Branch as of July 10, 2026. Based po sa DMA po namin kanina, ang hindi po natapos ay si PCNL Mancape ST1 Pangasinan, Ma'am Beth and Ma'am Sherry Ann. Day off po tomorrow is wala po. Cancel off po si Christian Paul due to nakali po si Romar for 3 days. Hindi po dumating sa expected delivery po namin is SSO R168625. Parcel for pickup po na bawas is dalawa from yesterday. Sir, pending po namin is 5. Si PCNL Mancabe STO Pangasinan, Ma'am Beth and Ma'am Sherry Ann, due on July 15, 2026. Tatapusin po ni Pam, Chris, Paul and Judy noong 5 p.m. Wala po kami hotspot. Deals are printed at 8:30 p.m. Wala po kami skipping series. Issued receipt po namin is 5. Consumable goods is 1 item, which is CTF. Sa FB page po nasagutan is 3, sa Viber po is 1. Key holder po for tomorrow is si Chris and Judy. Bale, ito po yung aming store visual. Ito po yung aming hanging cabinet. Ito naman po yung sa bestseller namin. Ang naka-display for visual namin ngayon is jacket. Ito po yung sa aming special color uniforms. And ito po yung aming glass tower. And this side po is our gift ideas. And dito po sa aming wire mesh is yung mga Embro po. For Embro na mga products. Ito po yung aming stock room. And ito po yung locker namin.
Ito yung garbage mo namin. Yung detail. Yung mga lights.